welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 11th. Now starts again from here, re-enter boat's vane, line number 35. Boatswain says here, down with the topmast, yea, lower, lower, bring her to try with main course. Boatswain says, bring down the topmast. Quick, lower it, yea, lower it. Keep the ship's bow close to the wind with the topmast to control the ship. Keep the ship's bow close to the wind with the topmast to control the ship. A cry within. When he gives the order, within the time, there is cry. A plague upon this howling. He annoyed. Boatswain annoyed here, because there was cry. A plague, he says, a plague upon this howling. They are louder than the weather or our office. Curse their shouting, which is so loud as to drown my voice. My voice is being drowned in the cry. My voice, as well as the roar of the storm. The cry is so loud that my voice is being drowned, as well as the roar of the storm. Both the things are disturbing him. Number one, the cry, and the second one, the roaring of the storm. Now re-enter Sebastian, the brother of Alonso, Antonio, the brother of Prospero, and Gonzalo, the counselor of Alonso. Re-enter here in the scene. Yet again, what do you hear? Shall we give over a drone? Have you a mind to sink? You have come again, boatswain says. He does not want to be disturbed by anybody, as he is trying his best to control the ship. So he does not want to be disturbed by anybody. So he says, you have come again. You means here Sebastian, Antonio, and Gonzalo. He says to them, boatswain says to them, you have come again. What are you doing here? For what you come here? Shall we give up and drown? Shall we surrender and drown? Do you wish to drown? Yeah, the question. Sebastian says, a plague over your throat, you bawling, blasphemous, uncharitable dog. Sebastian also gets annoyed. He says, may your tongue be damned. May your tongue be ruined. You a howling, swearing, unkind dog. Boatswain says, work you then. Do your work. Don't disturb me. Antonio says, hang, you insolent noise maker. We are less afraid to be drowned than thou art. He says, Antonio says, be hanged, you dog. May you be hanged, you rude noise maker. We are less afraid of being drowned than you are. You are being afraid. You are being afraid of being drowned. We are not. We are not afraid of being drowned. Only you are being afraid. You are afraid to being drowned. Gonzalo says, I warned him of drowning, though the ship were no stronger than a nutshell. A hard external covering of a nut, a hard shell seed, nutshell. Gonzalo says, I assure you that this man won't drown. He says here, I assure you, he says to Antonio, but I assure you that this man won't drown, though the ship were no stronger than a nutshell. Ship is very weak. It is not stronger than a nutshell. Still, I assure you that this man won't drown. Boatswain says, lay her a hold, set her 2 courses, off to sea again, lay her off. Keep the ship sailing into the wind. He orders the mariners, keep the ship sailing into the wind, set her foresail, and her mainsail to take her off to the sea again. Keep her away from the shore. Her has come here for the ship. Keep her away from the shore. He warns the mariners to keep the ship away from the shore. Re-enter mariners wet. Re-enter mariners. Mariner says, all lost. To prayers, all lost. Mariner says, all is lost. Say your prayers, all is lost. Each and everything is destroyed, devastated. Now say your prayers. Only prayers can save us. Exeunt. The exeunt. Mariners exeunt. Boatswain says, what must our mouth be cold? What should we die? What must our mouths be cold? Means what should we die? Gonzalo says, the king and prince at prayers. Let's assist them, for our case is as theirs. Gonzalo says, the king and the prince are. The king means here Alonso, and the prince means here Ferdinand, the son of Alonso. The king and the prince are praying. They are continuously praying. Let us join them, as our condition is as desperate as theirs. They are also desperate. They are also hopeless. There is no hope of life. They also think. So let us join them, as our condition is as hopeless, as desperate as theirs. Sebastian says, I am out of patience. Sebastian says, I have lost all patience. Now Antonio says, we are merely cheated of our lives by drunkards. This wide-chapped rascal, would thou mightest lie droning the washing of 10 tiles. Antonio says, we are going to die. Now he blames the boatswain, mariners and captain. He says, we are going to die because of these drunkards. These has come for captain, boatswain and mariners. So we are going to die because of these drunkards. This wide-mouthed means big-mouthed rascal. He says to boat, rascal is used for here for boatswain. This wide-mouthed rascal is responsible for the whole tragedy. For the whole tragedy, this big-mouthed person, means here boatswain indicates to boatswain, I wish you were drowned till 10 tides have washed over your corpse. He curses him. He curses him. He curses the boatswain and wishes that if he were drowned till 10 tides have washed over his corpse, dead body. Gonzalo says he will be hanged yet, though every drop of water swear against it and gape at widest to glut him. Gonzalo says, this man means boatswain. He will be hanged yet. He means here, this man. This man is destined to die by hanging, though every drop in the ocean swear against it and open its mouth as wide as possible to engulf him. This man is destined to die by hanging. It is written in his fate that he will die only by hanging. Though every drop in the ocean should swear against it and opens its mouth as wide as possible to engulf him. Engulf him means submerge, crush him. Confused noise within. Mercy on us, we split. Farewell, my wife and children. Farewell, brother. We split. A confused noise comes from within the ship, from the deck. May God have mercy on us. They are praying, may God have mercy on us. We are going to be broken to pieces. We are going to be broken into pieces. Farewell, my wife and children. Farewell, brother. We are going to be wrecked, destroyed. We are going to be destroyed now. Exit boatswain. Boatswain goes from there. Antonio says, let's all sink with the king. Antonio says, let us all sink with the king. Sebastian says, let us take leave of him. Sebastian says, let us bid farewell to the king. Because we are all going to die. Exeunt Antonio and Sebastian from there. Gonzalo says, now would I give 1,000 furlongs of sea for an acre of barren ground, long heath, brown furze, anything. The wills above be done, but I would fain